Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I'm going to show you how to fix some settings are controlled by your organization. To fix this problem, click on the Start menu. Type regedit. After appearing the registry editor, click on it. Click on Yes. After opening the registry editor, double-click on H key local machine. Software. Policies. Microsoft. Now right-click on Windows Defender. Click on Delete, click on Yes. Now right-click on Windows Advanced Threat Protection, click on Delete, click on Yes. Now close this window, and restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.